The following chapters will focus on some of the most dangerous hacker tools that are favored of both white hat and black hat hackers. First, I will explain some of the fundamentals of networking and technologies that are vital to be aware of for every hacker. Next, it will cover some studying techniques that I have used, and still do, to be able to follow today's fast-growing technologies. And then we'll recommend additional study materials and what certification path you should be aiming to become an IT professional. The focus of this book will be to introduce some of the best popular software that you can use for free of charge. Furthermore, where to find them, how to access them, and finally, in every chapter, I will demonstrate examples step by step using those hacker tools. The discussion and implementation models will provide not only how to use hacking tools, but how to become a man in the middle in multiple ways. Additionally, I will demonstrate how to create a denial of service attack, how to manipulate the network infrastructure by creating fake packets, as well as how to replicate any networking device and fool end users to install backdoors on demand. To understand hackers and protect the network infrastructure, you must think like a hacker in today's extensive and eclectic internet, and you must know that nothing is fully secured. There are many steps on how to plan a successful penetration test, and examples on how to manipulate or misdirect trusted employees using social engineering. The intention of this content is to benefit readers by reviewing detailed facts as well as my personal experience. Your reading of this book will boost your knowledge of what is possible in today's hacking world and help you to become an ethical hacker. This book is not a beginner's guide. However, it's written for those who are new to hacking. Every effort was made to ensure it is full of as much useful information as possible. Please enjoy. Chapter 1. Basic System Requirements. First of all, I would like to give a few major points on what this book will cover. The tools that I will describe in this book are available for both white hat and black hat hacking. Once applied, the outcome will be the same in both cases. However, it can lead to a terrible situation for the person using such hacking tools in any unauthorized manner, which might cause system damage or any system outage. If you attempt to use any of these tools on a network without being authorized and you disturb or damage any systems, that would be considered illegal black hat hacking. So I would like to encourage all readers to deploy any tool described in this book for white hat use only. In Volume 1, I explain what white hat use is and who white hat hackers are. However, a quick recap on that subject is that anything legally authorized to help people or companies to find vulnerabilities and identify potential risks is fine. All tools I described you should use for improving security posture. I should sound a warning here. If you are eager to learn about hacking and penetration testing, it's recommended to build a home lab and practice using these tools in an isolated network that you have full control over, and it's not connected to any production environment or the internet. On the other hand, if you use these tools for black hat purposes and you get caught, it will be entirely on you, and you will have no one to blame. So again, I would highly recommend you stay behind the lines, and anything you do should be completely legit and fully authorized. Lastly, if you are not sure about anything that you are doing and don't have a clue on the outcome, only ask your manager or do not do it. This book is for education purposes. It is for those who are interested in learning and knowing what is really behind the curtains and would like to become an IT professional or white hat hackers. In addition to legal issues, before using any of the tools, it is recommended that you have the fundamental knowledge of networking concepts. Bare minimum networking fundamentals are what is in an IP address, IP subnet, MAC address, DHCP, DNS, ping, ARP. I will touch on each of these. However, there are some great courses out there that can help you gain additional knowledge, and my recommendation would be to start with